FragWatch. FragWatch here. Today we're doing the unboxing of the Pwnage by whzy Stormbreaker Maximum CF. Stormbreaker Max CF, the whzy special edition collaboration by Pwnage. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Let's hope that doesn't hit buttons on my keyboard. All right, here we go. Here we go. We got, let's start off over here. We've got some good skates. Got some corner skates. Ooh, they're little pyramids in blue for this one. Nice. I like that. Okay. I'll leave this one. I'll leave some of this stuff out because I'm going to test this next. We got a signed card. What else does this have in it? Got like a little limited edition card. I wonder if it's a real signature. Doesn't look like it. If it is, it's got like some of the coolest ink I've ever seen from a pen. Let's give a little close up on that. It's pretty shiny. Yeah, I don't think that's a real signature. Let's see. Oh, good. Good. I'm still capable of using scissors. No worries. No worries. Still capable of using scissors. What do we got in here? We got... Dang, that's a nice cord. Okay. We got... I should open over here. My camera doesn't stretch to where I was. Sorry about that. So you open this thing up. You got all this lovely stuff. Let's just empty it out, yeah? You guys can watch me struggle to put it back in. Fun with words. Oh, what else do we got? More grips. Okay, so we got grips. We got more grips. Are these different kinds of grips? What's going on here? No, it's just... Oh, it's both sides. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, so we got grips. I think I'm going to need grips. The manual. Nothing in it. Not shocking. Let's take this out in case I need the skates. Nope. Comes with skates. No sensor skate. Let me see if they have one in here. I guess I could use dots. It's got like measurements around that. Oh yeah, that moves the sensor, so you don't want to do that on this because you can move the sensor on these Stormbreakers. These screws here, you can move the sensor up and down this channel. It's a pretty cool little thing, depending on how you grip the mouse. What is this? What the hell? Oh, that's a tool for that. Okay. Gotcha. It's the tool for the thing I'm literally talking about. My lord. Come on. Come on. Get a grip on yourself. All right. I think I'm going to put the cord back in there, too, because I use like a bunch of good cords already up there on my desk. No need to junk up the old desk. I'll put this back in there. And take this mouse out. Oh, that's a big boy in hand. I forgot how big these are. Ooh, man. Forgot how snappy their clicks are. Man. Okay. Get you out. Alright, and then we got some mouse pad here. It's the Pwnage gaming mouse pad. Oh, we're going to need those scissors again. Oh, didn't get it. Did I get it? Yeah. I'll use better scissors next time, yeah? Oh boy, those are dull. Okay. I promise you I can do this. I'm going to go off camera for a second. Get this so I don't tear it. I'm going to bend it for sure, though, my lord. All right, here we go. Let's pull it out. Box here. What do we got? That is the most tightly rolled mouse pad I might ever seen. I don't even know if I want to open it. Is this just their Energon? Well, here we are. I gotta open it now. Come on. Man, I shouldn't use these scissors for this. You should use a knife. Okay. I don't know why I'm unrolling it with this paper. Okay, that's pretty silky pad. It's a triangle. It's got... Yeah. So that's going to take 8 years to uncurl. I shouldn't have unpackaged that. Okay, I'm going to put that back in this little box here. Because I'm going to need to take that to another location and flatten her out over the course of a few days. Because that might take a week to flatten out. That's very tightly wrapped. I hate it when people do that. Holy moly. That was like, okay. Stormbreaker, whzy collaboration with Pwnage. We'll see if I like it. It's in the testing pipeline. I have 6 or 7 of these Stormbreakers. Obviously, this one's in carbon fiber, so it's a little bit different. I don't think I've recorded a review for any of them, though. You know that? Because it was all last year and beginning of this year. I'm going to have to do a Stormbreaker review. Okay. Well, I'll put this in the pipeline then. So I don't even have one. Doing the endgame gear OP1 4K wireless right now. Pretty dope. Okay. Catch you guys in the next one. FragWatch out.